All right, we're in the snow here and I got a nice target and I was able to see it with my eyes before we dug it. And I got the gold monster here, so I'm gonna turn it on and let you see what it sounds like. It's down in here and we're bouncing back and forth between iron and gold, but there's really no mistaking. That's gold right there. I'm gonna grab the pick here, and I did find it with the GPX at first, as I normally do. But let's pull this out together. Now this looks like something I may have missed because I worked this area before, or this is new. I'm not sure. It's pretty wedged in there. Oh wow! It must have just flowed down. Hey! Let me grab a snuffer. It must have just flowed down, because I would have found that before, especially right there. Where'd it go? There it is. Alright. See how we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh. There we go. I got it. I think I got it. I'll check it in the pan. I'll check it with the detector too, but yeah. That was trying to escape on me, wasn't it? So there's the piece I ended up finding today. It's got a little bit of thickness to it, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got today was that piece I detected. Unfortunately, there's so much overburden that has to be moved to find gold there. It is worth it if you do find it. There's some big stuff still there, but yeah, this is what I got today in the snow. But I had a good day anyway. I wanted to apologize. I haven't made any nice long quality videos in quite a long time. I have been filming here and there, but you know, I've moved and there's been lots of things going on that not bad things, just busy things. But yeah, hopefully at some point I will start doing some editing and getting some videos out back on the channel. I enjoy watching them with family that I haven't seen for a while when they ask, what have you been up to? I say, well, let me show you. Anyway, pretty cool find. It was nice getting out. It's going to be a long winter still until the summer, but at least we can have a day or two like this here and there.